In order to enable or disable voice access on Google Pixel 10, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, scroll pretty much all the way down in order to find accessibility. Afterwards, we can scroll down again in order to find voice access. And finally, here we can enable and disable voice access pretty easily. Now over here, we have the setup. So you can go through this setup in order to choose how you want to use the voice access. So we can, for example, use the listening button that allows you to activate the voice access. We also have additional instructions how to use the voice access here. And there is also a tutorial. So over here, in this case, we can set that we want voice access to stop listening after 30 seconds of inactivity. You can also just say stop listening out loud in order to do so. And just go through this tutorial in order to find out how to properly and fully use voice access. You can also open the tutorial by saying open tutorial to the voice access. And if you scroll down here, we have some example voice commands that we can use. So if I tap on this button, then voice access will start listening, and you will see commands, the voice commands that you say out loud, which is pretty much all the sentences that you say out loud. And it will try to pick up whatever you're trying to do. So for example, I'm gonna tap on this button and I'm gonna say go home. Go home. Stop listening. And there we go. So as you can see, this is how we can use voice access as an example on Google Pixel 10. Of course, if you want to disable voice access, you can just go back to these settings. You can easily turn it off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.